Installing edge-to-edge shield. In the pack you will find the edge-to-edge shield, an alcohol wipe for cleaning the screen, a cleaning cloth to finish that process, and a squeegee. We start off with the alcohol wipe. Remove it from its bag and wipe the screen clean with it. Then we use the cleaning cloth to dry off any alcohol residue from the screen and remove any dirt. We remove the back film from the shield, tab number 1. Then align the shield on your screen. Note that this is not the shield itself, and you can have as many tries as you need to align it properly. Once the shield is aligned, we lift the top part off the screen and remove tab number 2. We stick the shield onto the screen only at the top part. Then we lift the bottom part all the way up. Then we use the squeegee starting from the top of the phone, pushing downwards to finish the installation and remove the rest of the back film. Attach the edges of the shield to the edges of the phone. Once we've done that, we remove the last film, the front film, from the shield. Again, we make sure all the edges are attached. Now, it may not look like that, but now you have a shield on your phone.